Want to live in the center of Metro Manila? Join me today as I give you a real tour of our newest pre-selling development in Fort Bonifacio, the Park McKinley West. I'm now here in the actual construction site of Park McKinley West, and the development obviously looks pretty well. The last tower out of 4 towers is going to be turned over 2026. Park McKinley West is a mid-rise condominium that consists of 25 floors, located at the heart of Metro Manila that makes it accessible whether you're going south or north. It is sandwiched in between McKinley Hill, BGC, Pasay, Parañaque, or Makati. Park McKinley West is located in McKinley West, which is just right beside the Billionaires Row, such as Dasmariñas Village, Forbes Park, and Manila Polo Club, that makes it a very lucrative investment. Park McKinley West is a perfect development whether for end use or investment. We offer units from 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom penthouse, ranging from 35 square meters to 212 square meters, all with balcony. It comes fully finished, semi-furnished, and the best part, this is smart home. Park McKinley West is just right for you. Come, have a tour with me with our 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom model unit for your appreciation and reference. This project is that we offer this 0% interest, no down payment for 5 years to pay. For interested, please comment down below or direct message me anytime. And also, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Realtors by Ina, and also follow my Instagram and Facebook page, The Realtors by Ina. Again, this is your host, Ina Cristobal, and you're watching The Realtors.